Today I'm going to show you how to make a mousepad mockup in Adobe Photoshop. First, open your Quick Selection tool. Select the mousepad, press Ctrl J to duplicate the layer, and then disable the layer. Select the layer below, open your Rectangle tool, and then create a rectangle. Click the Fill color, choose any color. When you're finished, close Properties window. Right-click on the rectangle layer and convert to Smart Object. Hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of the top layer to make a selection. Click on the Mask button. Now, enable the top layer. Right-click and convert to Smart Object. Change the blend mode to Multiply. And let's decrease the opacity. Rename the layer Shadows. Press Ctrl J to duplicate. Change the blend mode to Linear Dodge. Go to Image, Adjustments, and open the Levels window. I'll make the shadow input level 175. And the highlight output level 60. Then click OK. Set the opacity back to 100%. Double-click on this and rename it Midtone. Let's make one more copy. By pressing Ctrl J, change the blend mode to Screen. Double-click on the Smart Filters. I'm going to decrease the shadow input level just like that. And let's decrease the highlight output level to 70. Then click OK. Once you're satisfied, decrease the opacity to 80%. Double-click on this and rename it Light. Select the three layers by holding down Shift key. Press Ctrl G to place them into a folder group. Rename the group Effect. Now, double-click on the rectangle layer's thumbnail. Go to File, Place Embedded, and place your pattern design. Drag these handles to resize your image. Hit Enter when you're finished. Go back to File, and choose Save. Let's come back to our image. Select the bottom layer. Just pick any selection tool. Make a selection of the areas which are covering the mousepad. Open your brush tool, select the mask, click the foreground color, and make sure black, and paint with black to erase the extras. To remove selection, go to Select, and deselect. And this is the result. Thanks for watching.